I feel like I hear the term breaking news pretty much every day now, and it's always accompanied by this effect. So in case any journalists want to learn how to make that effect for your daily dose of breaking news, keep watching and I'll show you how. Alright, before we open Premiere, you need to take a screenshot of every single article using your keyword. Now place them in a row on your timeline and make them just a few frames each. It's okay to reuse some of your screenshots to make this effect longer, you won't be able to tell. Now position the keyword on each one of your clips to be in the exact center of the frame. Use the position and scale tools in the effect panel to do that. After that, go to your effect panel, type in directional blur, and drag that onto your first clip. Then go up to the effect controls, and under directional blur, hit this circle tool, then position it in the middle of your frame around your keyword. Then make sure you invert the selection, bring up the blur value to your liking, and then make sure you increase the feather amount until it blends in with the rest of your video. And then you're going to Control-C to copy this effect, highlight the rest of your clips, and then hit Control-V to place that same effect over all of them. And then go find some engaging sound effects, and then you should have something like this. That's how you make a text match cut. The project file will be in the link in my description in case you just want to download that. Otherwise, make sure to subscribe to make creating content just a little bit easier.